Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iPhone app freezing or crashing unexpectedly after updating to iOS 17. If your iPhone apps are freezing or crashing unexpectedly in iOS 17 version, it can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve this issue. First of all, you have to update your iOS and secure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 17. Apple frequently release update to address software bugs and improve performance. To check this, simply have to go to your settings, then scroll down and tap on General, tap on Software Update, and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. To do this, simply you have to go to your general, then tap on shut down your iPhone, and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is foreclose the problematic app. If an app is freezing or if an app is freezing or crashing unexpectedly, you can try force closing it. Simply you have to open the app which is causing the problem, then force close it and try again reopening it and see if the issue persists or not. If it still doesn't work, then you have to do is update or install the problematic app and check that the problem app is updated to the latest version. If it's already up to date, try installing it and then reinstalling it from the App Store. This can help resolve issue with the app data corruption. After trying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to do is disable background app refresh. Some app may misbehave when running in the background. You can try disabling background app refresh for a specific app by going to your settings, then go to background app refresh. Now again go to background app refresh and simply disable it. After disabling it and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. So guys, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will reset your device settings to their default values, but won't delete any of your personal data. To do this, simply have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.